I want to show you how to add a motion blur effect in Premiere Pro. This effect works best with a fast-moving subject and a background that remains unchanged. Your first step is to duplicate the clip you want the effect on. Do this by holding Alt and clicking and dragging the clip above the original. Now, right-click the newly duplicated clip and go to Speed Duration and change this value to 95. You'll need to play around with this for your specific clip. Now pick a spot where you want the effect to begin and click and drag the duplicated clip to that spot. Now choose where you want it to end and do the same thing. With the duplicated clips still highlighted, go over to Effects, Controls, and change the opacity to 50% and change the blend mode to Lighten. We also want to smooth out the start and end of our ghost effect. Go over to Effects and type in Glossy Blur, and drag this on top of your duplicated ghost clip. Again, under Effects, write Gaussian Blur and add it to your video clip. Under the Effects control, change the blurriness to 25. Now your ghost effect should have a much more cinematic and professional look. Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.